Your toddler already knows more words than you think, and you're probably ignoring the easiest way to unlock them. Hand your kid a spoon. Tap the table. They tap back. You say tap. They say tap. Now tap the cup. Different sound. Clink. They repeat it. You just built a 2-word vocabulary lesson in 9 seconds using stuff already in your kitchen. Forget sitting them down with apps. Dinner prep is the classroom. Every texture, every sound, every silly noise is a word waiting to happen. The fridge hums. Name it. The water splashes. Name it. They'll start naming things before you're ready.